Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x squared, sy, y squared. They are the root number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So about y we change by vx. dy over dx we change by this one. Now we need to simplify x squared for the both sides, and we have 1 plus 2v. This one we have 3v. This one we have v squared. Next, we divide both sides by this one. So about v, I will put on the right. Now we do common denominator. So this one we have v and we have 2v squared in here. So 3v minus v, we have 2v. This one minus 2v squared, we have negative v squared in here. So this one I will put on the left. The s and s I will put on the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So this one we can do about factorization by v. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about a over v and b over 2 minus v. And now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about 2 minus v, so capital A multiplied by 2 minus v. About this one, it is missing about v, and we have capital B multiplied by v. Now we need to expand this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of v. So we have like this. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have 2v, that means negative a plus b equals to number 2. about this one, that is about the numbers we have to 8 equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solution of A and B. So 8 equals to 1 over 2. B equals to 5 over 2. So we put A and B, go back in here. And now we have the final answer. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s about v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.